The easiest way to make money in the crypto market is through arbitrage trading. That is true. But then the easiest way to lose your money is through arbitrage trading as well, if you don't do your due diligence. So let's take for instance, I was looking into this project. The name is Crown. I saw it on multiple apps and sites, arbitrage sites, right? Because I have a lot of sites that I use to find these price expectations, right? So what I noticed is that the price difference was crazy, right? Like over 40%, and that was very tempting for me at first. But I'll show you something in this video that you won't see in those arbitrage sites or apps, right? That's why you need a mentor to guide you through. So here's the crown that I saw. Crown USDT on MEXC is what cheap, and on Get.io is very high. It was like a 40% price difference that you can exploit, right? Now you can see that this project is a dead project, but those apps will list it as exploitable. Now, if you don't know anything about arbitrage, you can jump into it by putting your money, buying it immediately here, and it will be an exit plan for these people that put orders here. You can see they have up to 1,000 orders, 3,000, 13,000. You will just simply help these people exit the trade, because this project is not dead but is not alive as well. So you can see the price here is 0.0185. Then let me show you the price on Get.io, where is higher. So this is Get.io. Let's search for the same project, right? Then Crown, that's the name of the project. Now you can see the project here, Crown USDT on spot. So you can see that the price here is 0.035, and the project is very much alive here, right? Now, one of the reasons this is so is because the volume there is very low. Even the volume here is very low as well. You can see the volume here, 24 hours volume is 9,000, and the 24 hours volume on Crown, the coin itself is 266,000. So there's not much order going. You can see 277, 100 and 100 and not even up to 10k or 5k orders that is pending, right? So you can see that this market is a dead end. Even when you decide to buy the project from the other exchange, that's MEXC, and send over to here, Get.io, bro, you are seeing the volume is terrible. The 24 hours volume is very low. The project is a dead project, and this is something that they will not show you on those apps or sites that you might be using, right? And this is one thing you have to know, that before any arbitrage opportunity that you want to exploit, you have to go and check the exchange where it is, and check the 24 hours volume on those project itself and the USDT version of it as well. So if it's doing well in USDT and the project itself is selling on a higher percentage within 24 hours, then you can explore the price. Then if you go there and you see activities, like you can see something moving, basically there's no much movement here. You can wait for a few minutes and you see there's no more movement. So there's no much buy order, there's no much sell order going on. There's no activity at all here. And you can see the price. This is just a hoax, bro. This is very tempting to enter, because you think you buy it there and send it over here and profit, but the volume is terrible. So once the volume is this terrible, you can't make money from this opportunity, and this is one thing people don't know when you are using sites. So one of the videos I've done on this, I talked about this, but a lot of people are still complaining that some of the projects they buy, there isn't much profit, or they didn't get their profits, they just got their capital back. I mean, bro, you have to do your due diligence, like I always say. I haven't talked about it in the previous video. If you're not subscribed to the channel, kindly do, because I drop updates on this as well, back to back, right? So if you have any questions as well, you can simply drop it in the comment section, and I'll attend to that questions as soon as possible, right? We are here to make money in this channel, bro. I'm here to help, right? So if you have any question, any confusion, you can simply ask. Don't go in blindly before you lose your money, right? Or lose your capital, because that capital is very essential for us to profit, right? So that's basically it. You should know this, that most of those apps will just show you the price. It's not their fault. It's not their fault. That's just their job to show you the price differences. It's your own job to know whether you should go into that particular trade. So if you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share this video to those that might be interested in them. I mean, that's basically how we grow, right? Let's go.